Trading with three indicators. We had our first session yesterday where we are comparing the three and are keeping track on which one is better. So, if you want to follow me in this journey, make sure. Wait a little. So, my extra thing up here now started to make sound also. But yeah, so if you want to follow me in this journey, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and also make sure you sign up for this broker. You find a link below the video or link in the chat. I will now log in and we will continue to see which of the three strategy is better. So now let me log in here. Like that. So I think today we start with the whatever is up here from before. Let's see. Let's remove some of these pairs that we don't want. I think today we start with moving average 7. Yeah, let's do that. But let's close down all this that pay shit. We are only keeping to the ones that pay us 78%. So I think I see one here. We choose that one. I think I did see one here. We need at least 3 more. 2 more. Let's see. There. Now that one we had from before. This one. Let's see if we find one more. And can be this one. Okay, cool. Then we have control here. Okay. Then let's today, as always, we are testing 3 indicators. One is not an indicator, it's support and resistance. It's our old strategy. Then we are using moving average 7, a trend following strategy, and bulge band. We are going to do that for 14 days. Okay, so now let's see. So let's say 14th of January we are done. So it will not be 14 days for say we are trading. It will be 14 days all in all. So it's from working days, so probably will be 10 days we'll get in testing. Okay, so now let's moving there. Let's add the one we have in the bottom here now, and let's change number 9 to number 7. We take the style to be red, and there we push OK. So with this one here, it's a trend following, so we are waiting for a bar to come down to this red one here, and we'll take a trade. Let's see. Here we might have a trend change. It is not clear yet, so let's go for the clear ones. Here, let's take $100 trade. If we get up and past this red, we will take a trade. Let's see. That will be the first trade of the day for this strategy. Let's wait and see. We need him to cross our red line for us to be interested. Let's see. So for now, the strategy that have given us the most money is support resistance, but it's just the start. Things will change, and I think the position of the different type of strategies will change also. So I'm not expecting that need to be the way it is now. Everything will change. So now let's just wait. So yes, for us to take this with this strategy we're doing now, that is trend following, we will like him to cross above this red line there, and we'll take a trade. Because you can see every time when he come above, he will, because we are following the trend downwards. So, and all cashback we make for each strategy we will take out and add to the current strategy. That will be the most fair way to do it. So we are going to trade this strategy now for 20 minutes. We have already used 5 with no trades. So that's also something that reflect also for the strategies, is that the amount of trades is the amount of possible trades we get through the 20 minutes. That's also the fair way. So you don't go after amount of trades, it's after the possibilities, because some strategies can give us a lot of entries, some can give us very few. So the fair way to do this is just to go after how long time we trade. So we take 20 minutes each day, so we 20 for this one, then after I think we take the Bollinger Band, and then in the end today we take support and resistance. Okay. So now let's see. It would be nice to get our first trade with this strategy. We need him basically to just cross this red line here, and we will take a down trade. Let's see. And one more push up, and that would be it for me. But that was not good enough, you see. We need to cross this red line. That is basically, then we are following the trend downwards. Okay. So let's see if we like to do that. That will be nice. And if you have any questions, you can just write in the chat. Also, if you are new here, make sure you sign up with the broker I'm using. You can follow my signals even though they are different strategies you are using. It's 3 strategies that are proven to be good, so I'm expecting in the end of the 14 days that all of them should have made money. At least that's my hope. Now let's see if we can just cross the line so we can get our first trade. Let's see. We need one more push up. Let's see. No, he's stubborn. He's really stubborn to give us a trade. But yes, I need to admit, I'm very curious to see which strategy we will end up by using by default moving forward. And there we have our first trade in. I hope this is not a trend change, but let's see. And when I take one trade, I just move on, because we are not going to sit waiting 1 minute to look each trade, because we will just move on to see if we can get in more trades. That is the way we can get the most trades, because more trades we get, higher probability that we get a good average for each strategy. So right now you see we are in the money here. Now if this will cross the red line, we'll go up. Let's see. Let's see. You need to go a little more down for us to get a trade. I could have taken it there, to be quite frankly. I believe we got our first trade in. Hey, he said loss, but I did see him green, but what do I know? That was strange. That means the first trade of the day with this strategy was a loss. So I will put that into the statistic here now, minus 100. So this strategy is now currently minus $94. This is based on numbers from yesterday also. So for now it's a losing strategy. Let's see. But yeah, it was a little weird. Did see him green, but this is something I've seen often over and over again, that most of the time when it's a switch we are losing. It's very rare is the another way around, that is dark all the time and we get a, in the end we get a win. That I've seen very rarely. So it's mostly the other way around. We can go and see if we have some trading opportunities here now. I think was it's not a clear trend more. I will say this is a sideways market now. This is not a clear trend from me either. Here we start to see a trend change. here, this I will say it started a new trend. So if this bar can cross below this moving average 7, we will enter with a trade. So let's wait for that. We are going to be trading this strategy for more 10 minutes, then we'll change over to Bollinger Band. Now let's see. There we are in. We got in our first trade, no, second trade I mean. Let's see. And also good entry, I'll say. Here we are starting a trend now. So maybe on the next bar would be more clear to see the trend. Let's see. We need this one to go upwards like this, so we can get in trades. Would be nice now to get a win for this one. Now we'll see what's going on. We are in the money, out of the money, in of the money, out of the money, in of the money. It's probably lose that one also. Because typically when they are like this we lose. It's always like that. The money gods for binary option is not always on our side, and I think we lost it. Yes, we lost that. So this strategy for now have not done so hot. We are now down 200 for the day and all over 194. So this strategy have not proven to be that good yet, but let's see. Here this is a clear trend. Let's see if we can now get in a trade here. I'm waiting. Let's see if we can get in a good entry for this one. Good entry will be like down here, would be amazing if you could go down there again. We see a clear trend upwards. Come on, one more push down and we take it. Would be nice to get our first win also after 2 losses, because we are trading with real money. So even though I don't believe so much in this strategy myself, it's the one of the 3 I like the least. I still tried it to give it a fair value. We did go 0 yesterday, so at least with 0 we are not losing money. Now let's see. Still no trade. I would like it to little more push down, would be nice. Now let's see. Now if we can come down to the level he was, we can enter. There, I ain't there. We have our trade in. Let's see how this will play out. He was very stubborn above, so very strange he's still there. Now start green. This is not a trend yet. Here we don't have a trend. On my main computer in Sao Paulo I can put up like the double of pairs, because my screen is much bigger. So here it's very few I can go around and to see. I'll say we have started a trend here now, so if we can get down here I will take it. Looks like this is the 2 best pairs, by the way, for trend. This one I think you should win. Yes, first win of the day, that is amazing. Let's put in that into the calculation. Plus 78. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Then I think we can go back to this one to see what's going on here. And yes, we probably will get a new trade in here very soon. Let's see. And let's see. We need him to, would be nice to get an entry here. That's my hope. I'll feel more comfortable. But let's see. here would be amazing to get entry here, especially down here, but let's see what the market want to give us. We are ready to take a trade at least. I'm going to be ready here now. Looks like we have a resistance here also, so that's why I would like to have a trade a little lower, but following the rule is to cross the red line. So but let's see, still not good enough. Still not good enough. Okay, I see him flattening out a little there now, but I still take a trade. Now let's go to New Zealand. New Zealand was also pretty good. But here looks like we have a trend change. So if we continue like this, we will take a down trade here. Is that reflected here also, by the way? Yeah. But do you know what? I did take one there. Let's see. Let's see. Here we have a trend. Here we can take a trade if we get down to this level. We lost one here now. Now let's see. This one is in the money currently. If we can get this one, will not be that bad. And we got it. Sweet. Cool. Then we got another win here. Plus 78. Currently it's a losing strategy and we just have 2 minutes left. So let's see if we can probably get in just one more trade today. Let's see. The market is a little stubborn. Okay, this might be our biggest opportunity if we can get down to this line. That is. Let's see. Time wise, we have 1.5 minutes left, so it need to be on this bar, I guess. This or the next, we can say. Then we're done. Then we move on to Bollinger Band. Well, let's see. Time wise, we just have 1 minute left. So that means we need to have a trade very fast now for us to. Let's see if we have anything. No. Okay, up here. That is the last trade of the day for this strategy. I will let this one run now, but I will start to prepare for Bollinger Band. Okay, so let's do that. While this one is going, we change for Bollinger Band. Stochastic and BB. There. So this is the last trade for that strategy. But Bollinger Band will actually get a trade here now for the go down. If we cross up in the top here now. Let's see. If you get a trade there, that means we also win that one. So that is cool. see how is this playing out, and we won that one. Cool, we got a winning trade in the end for that strategy. So let's put that into the calculation there. So that strategy is actually minus 60, so we are currently a little in minus for the moving average 7. Now we are going to be trading Bollinger Band together with stochastic for 20 minutes. And the last strategy of the day, we will use support and resistance. That's the one that have made us the most money to now. Now let's see if we can shoot up about this Bollinger Band up here. We will take a trade. Let's see how the other pairs are looking. Here we're actually close to take a trade. Let's see. We are ready. We are close here also. Let's see. We just need to shoot above this Bollinger Band in top and we can take a trade. The stochastic is ready. This strategy is basically he need to cross the line on top and the stochastic need to be above 80. So one more push up and we can take it. The way he is right now, there are no trade. Let's see. Little more. I'm not happy yet. He have not crossed the line, so that's why we have not taken a trade. We were close here, so I will move back and check. And then no trade. No trade. Let's go back here. No. We might get one here now. Let's see if we can come down to this level, this 2 here. That would be an entry for us. You see the stochastic is below 20, so we just need this bar here now to go below this box bar in the bottom and we get a trade. Let's see. By the way, this $12 is going to the first strategy. I forgot that. So let's put that in also into the one here plus 12. So it's a $48 in minus, the first strategy total. Now let's see. For now we have got 0 trade with this strategy. Oh, here we might get something if I had to go down like this one more time. Let's see if I will say one more push down for me to take a trade. The stochastic is not completely ready. Let's see. No. 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 Here we might get one if we can just go below the line. One more small push and I take it there. That is good enough for me. We got our first entry with Bollinger Band. That is cool. Now let's see if it's efficient to get a win. We also, here we are a little far away. We are going to be moving fast ahead now and see. Let's see how this trade go. 18 seconds left. And here we have a trade. If we fill up this bar again, there we are in. Then we have 2 trades. Let's follow now. This one is done. We got a $78 win. Perfect. Let's go into this trade now. Plus 78. So this one is now $104 in profit. Currently leading the pack. Let's see if we can get more trading opportunities. Yeah. If we can get down there again, we will take a trade. Now, what's going on here now? It's in and out of the money. Let's see. If we fill up the bar, I will take one more there now. But yes, no, we won it actually. 78. Let's see. Plus 78. So we have a little winning streak here now. And this one looks to be a winner also. But I'm keeping here, we are getting many trading opportunities. Let's see. Yeah, in there. Could he shoot absolutely win this one? No, we did not. And I take one more there. Then let's start run and let's see how that will play out. And then we take minus 100. Let's go back. Let's follow and see here now. Would be nice to get two winners here now. Let's see. He lost both of them actually. That was super annoying. We go in again there. We are in. Now let's move on. We are not taking more trades on this one. We have bad luck. Looks like there's a trend. This one probably will work it good with the moving average. Let's take a look. What's going on? He should. It's pushing very much down. So probably lose that one also. That is super annoying. Let's see. 3, 2, yeah. One more loss. Last trade for this one. As we see, the win rate here is terrible on this pair. Let's see, minus 100. Now let's see. If we lose this one here now, we will close this pair because this pair have been terrible for us. Basically, I lost crazy money on this one. I'm not even sure where my entry is. Obviously, we are not there yet. So we are losing this one also. Then I close this pair. Yeah, we close it. Terrible, just terrible. So minus 100. Now let's go here. Let's start. How much time do you left for Bolger Brand? We have 10 minutes left. First 10 minutes is quite bad for Bolger Brand. Last strategy of the day will be with support and resistance. That is our main strategy, by the way. Now, if we get a trade, if we can get up here, that will be a trade for us. Let's see. We also will take a trade if we get down here. We need him to push a little more for me to take a trade. One more push down to get a trade. Let's see. It's not crossing yet for me. That's good enough. We have entry. Now let's see. Here, if you can get down to these levels there, that will be a trade for me. Let's see. I'm ready to go in if we can get down there again. One more push down. Let me see, did we win this trade? We did. That's a $78. We need 3 winners to turn things around. Let's see. Down there will be nice. Little more. We are waiting. We need to have some patience here now to get our good entries. While we wait, we can check the other ones. Here, if we can get down there again, we'll take it. Let's see. If we can fill up this bar with a red down to where it was, we take a trade. You can check New Zealand, sometimes it's the same. This time it was not. Let's check here. We are close here. The stochastic is ready, so we just need to cross in the bottom. Let's see the timer. We have 7 minutes left, so we should be able to get in 2 more trades. That's what we need to turn things around. Plus you're receiving some cash back up here also that we'll take out. If you can get down there to the level we was here now, we can take a trade. Let's wait and see. It's flattening out here now, so it makes it even better to get a trade on here. Let's see. We just need him to go down to this previous low here, and we have a trade. I'm ready. If we choose to go down there again, we need one more push down, a little more. Let's see. For now he's stubborn. Little more. No. For now he's keeping stubborn. Looking fast to see if you have any trading opportunities with the other pairs. No, let's go back here. No, wrong way. Here we might get something if we cross in the top. Stochastic is ready, so he just need to cross in top. We need to go out of the Boltzmann in the top to get a trade. One more push up. Let's see. How are we in time? We have 4 minutes, so we still have possibility to get 2 more trades. But then we need to get someone very soon. For now, I don't see it. Let's go fast over to see if there's some other trading opportunities. Here, if we fill up this bar again in the bottom, we can take it. I don't see it. If we can turn red, that is. Let's see here also. Here he did. So if he stayed here, we would got a trade. That's the thing, sometimes it's better just to wait in one. And we would have got a perfect entry at the top there. Now let's see. We are in there. Now let's see how that will play out. Let me see how we are in time. Let me see. That will be the 2 last trades for Bollinger Band, I guess. Let's see here now. Looks like we are getting 2 losers in the end for Boltzmann Band. We got 1 at least. So minus 100. So Boltzmann Band have done bad also. So bad day all over. And looks like the last also will be a loser. Yeah. So a terrible day for Boltzmann Band also, same like the other one. Then his support resistance to make money today. Let's remove all these things here now, and let's go for support and resistance. So let's see, with support and resistance we can add the best one here. Let's see, there are none good one to take, so then we keep the ones we have. Now let's see if we can find something good. I would say down there will be an area we will be interested. Around there, and in the top I would say around there. Now let's see, I'm going now to go over. This one might be good now, around there. Let's see. Let's check GBP. entry. We do see a small trend, but we still have much space left, so an entry up there will still be good. But today, yes, our two indicator strategies did terrible. Now let's hope to see if support resistance can be different. Now let's see. We will continue, of course, with these strategies all through this week and all through next week. I will, every time I come to a pair, I'll make my markings for where I will be interested to take a trade. So when we cross in, we can fast take a trade if we have a trading opportunity. Do you know what? I think this area start to look good, so we can take a trade there. Let's see here. I will say about there would be nice. In the top, I don't see any. Here, I don't see any. Let's move over to here. Okay, we might get a trend change here now. Then I think in the bottom, around this area. This one did go lower, but the rest is good around there. So let's see. We can remove this trend line. Let's see. Till now we have 0 trades for today for support and resistance. No opportunities there. No opportunities here. No opportunities here. Down here probably we have something. We can mark it around there. Little far away, but he can shoot down. Let's see. It's a small resistance here, the support I mean, but he will need to break first. Let's see. Would be nice there. Okay, we are getting close to entry here for GBP/USD. It is an interest area we have down here, but let's see. Better than this. Little better than this. Looks like he stopped around there. Maybe we move a line there. Let's see. For now, no trade for support and resistance. We have just 15 minutes left. Be a line down now. He did break it. I would say here area of interest will be around there. That's it. We see that down a little below would be better, something like down around there. I take a trade there. I am satisfied with that one. You see all have closed above, so I'm satisfied with the trade I take here now. Let's move on. Let's go back to GBP USD. Okay, let's move this line. Okay, looks like he's breaking more down. We do have a support down there also. Let's see. We got our first loser. Okay, let's go in. -100. Now let's see. For now looks, yeah, never know. It would be nice to get a winner here now. There we got a winner, cool. 78. Now our entry looks to be nice there. Let's go back here. Okay. Our entry, I will say there would be nice. Let's go to this one. If you can get down there again, it would be nice. Also be collecting ourselves some cash back up here. Now let's see how many trades did we take with there, we take a trade there. Let me see. We have taken 3 trades, that is 6. Let me see. Bring up the calculator. I forgot to put in the Bouldership Band bonus. That is 18. Let's go here. I think you won this trade. Yes, we did. And a 78. Let's continue. Now looks like to be entry a level there. If you get down there again, that is. Let's see. Little more push down. There, we are in. We got a good entry. Oh, let's see if we can get in more trades in the other pairs. see, also entry down there now start to look good. I think we got a trade done and we won one more. Cool, it's another $78 profit. We are starting to build some money now with support and resistance. So right now support resistance is the clear winner of the strategies, but of course this is trading day number 2, so like I said, things will change drastically. Some might make us a lot and some might not, but today the big loser have been Bolshe Band. Let's see. Little more. There we are in. We got a resistant trade up here now. Sweet. Now let's see. We're also looking for a trade in the bottom here now, if we can get down there. More. Looks like we're losing the trade for dollar against Swedish kroner. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, we lost that one. Yeah. Okay, let's go back here. Minus 100. Have something up there in that level. Let's see if we can get up there again, that is. Come on, one more push up and we can take it. No. How are we in time? We have 6 minutes left, so we still have some time left for this strategy. Looks like this is the one that is the closest right now. We 5 minutes left, so I think we should be able to get 1 or 2 more trades if you're lucky. Let's see. I'll say this is a nice support level, should be now. I was thinking it, but I did not push the button. Now we might get one in the top. See, there is the area he stops this time around. See, get a little higher. I needed to fill all the way up. There we are in. Now let's see. How are we in time? 4 minutes left, so we can probably get in one more trade. Why is not this in the money when you had the entry up there? I don't understand. This in the money. It's just this one don't cooperate with the number up here, but we are deep in the money. So looks like we'll be a winner in the end here now. So that is probably the last trade of the day for Bolsche Band. Oh, let's see now. What is this? Shooting up like this. Come on now, give me a win. He lost in last seconds. Look this, yeah, that was annoying, but okay. Then let's collect the $32 also. Let's put in the statistic, minus 100 plus 32. So that's it. Not any good statistic, but we at least did trade. So with that, we are done for today. I will be back again tomorrow. Have an amazing day, and make sure you sign up with the broker so you can trade together with me tomorrow.